Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to germinate oak acorns. First, let's talk about selecting the best acorns for planting. You should gather them in early to mid-autumn, right after they drop. Look for acorns that feel firm and show no cracks, holes, or rot. To check viability, simply place them in water. Any that sink are good to go, while those that float should be discarded. Many oak species, especially red oaks, need a period of cold stratification to mimic winter conditions before they can sprout. This process typically takes between 60 and 120 days. To do this, place your viable acorns in a plastic bag with a moist medium like peat moss or sand. Then, store the sealed bag in your refrigerator, keeping the temperature consistently between 32 and 41 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your acorns are ready, it's time to plant them. Bury each acorn about 1 to 2 inches deep in well-draining soil, positioning it either horizontally or with the pointed end slightly down. Opt for deep pots, ideally 6 to 9 inches or more, to allow for proper taproot growth. Remember to keep the soil consistently moist, but be careful not to overwater, as too much moisture can cause the acorn to rot. As your oak saplings begin to grow, protecting them is crucial. Squirrels and deer love young oaks, so use wire mesh or small cages to keep them safe. It's also best to avoid fertilizing your young trees. Oaks naturally prefer soils with lower nitrogen levels, and added nutrients can sometimes do more harm than good. Remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic book that offers great insights into managing your finances, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.